Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has respected the trend line that I put onto the chart a few days ago, and Ethereum respected the resistance area that we talked about and is actually following the wave count in which we were watching for another low below the Friday low. If you watched yesterday's video, then you're very much aware of that. A move above 3,710 would have possibly indicated an early bottom in place. Hasn't happened and was not what I was primarily looking for until resistance would start to crack. So the ideal roadmap is still being followed. I see this as a corrective pullback, a correction into the support zone. Okay, we are still in the upper section of that support zone. And as you might remember from previous videos, what I highlighted to you is that this is likely a wave C of Y of 4 in the yellow scenario. That's the short-term bullish count. In the short-term bullish scenario, the market should hold the upper support area, which is defined between $3,209 and $3,644. It doesn't mean we have to test it, we have to test the lowest levels. It doesn't mean the price has to come down all the way to that 61.8 retracement at 3,209. Absolutely not. That would be in fact quite deep for a fourth wave. No, that's not needed. It means, however, that as long as we're holding that upper support region, I can go ahead and continue to track the yellow wave count, in which we're currently moving up in a diagonal pattern, which started on the 13th of April. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 to the upside, wave 4 correction, and the fifth wave is outstanding. However, there is at the moment no sign the correction is over, and in fact it's just doing what the market told us already yesterday would be the path of least resistance, one more low. And sometimes these last lows don't happen. In this case, the resistance area was nicely respected. There is also a first target area here for the white C wave between 3,621 and 3,527. Normally, the 1.618 extension needs to be added as well. I didn't do it because we are very close then anyway to the next Fib level here, 3,470. So there is good Fibonacci confluence there. It's the 1.618 extension, and there is the ideal support level for a fourth wave. So pay attention to this area particularly. And I'm now watching for a few levels that could, if broken, indicate that a low has formed. Mindset wise, I think it is important to be aware that we're now in a correction. And well, we have been now for a while. And the idea is that we need to break above certain levels to indicate that this correction is over. So what I'll do now, we have this area here, which was respected. I can take that out now. I'll draw a new area that would give us an early indication for a possible low to be in place. So that would be the distance of the decline, and it is the 78.6 retracement. So if the price now breaks above 3,665 or 66, that would be an early indication that a low is in place. So an early indication. Not confirmation. For confirmation, I need a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback, and that 5-wave move up ideally breaks above resistance. Which means today, what is important? Today, I think we need to be watching this key level around 3,470. Generally, this entire area that the price is currently in, because it's a support area, but that's the next key level. And then to the upside, 3,666. However, this resistance area will change a little bit depending on what the price does. So if the price comes down a little lower, also resistance will shift a little lower together with the price, okay? But I will mention that probably then if there is something exciting that's happening in the video later today or tomorrow, or if you want to stay up to date in our gold membership, I update with short-term market updates anyway, in addition to the videos. That means what I want to say is, if this resistance area, if this price drops a little bit further, see, I have to adjust the resistance area. It won't change a lot, but the key levels change. So And once then this fifth wave to the upside has started, first of all, I'd be watching for a test of the March highs around 4,100 USD. That's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.